If you make a mess while caulking, act fast and focus on removing the excess before it skins over. Caulking cleanup starts with speed because most caulks dry from the outside in and become harder to remove with time. For water-based caulk, keep a damp cloth ready and wipe the bead immediately while applying light pressure along the joint so you are pulling excess away rather than smearing it. For silicone and other solvent-based caulks, use a lint-free rag with a small amount of mineral spirits or a manufacturer-recommended solvent while the material is still wet, and always ventilate the space and wear gloves to protect skin. If you used masking tape to protect adjacent surfaces, remove the tape while the caulk is tacky but not fully cured to avoid lifting cured edges. Retooling is the step after initial cleanup. With a slightly wet finger or a rounded tool, smooth the bead in one continuous motion and clean the tool between passes to avoid dragging residue. If a section has already cured and looks messy, cut out the bad bead with a utility knife, clean the gap, wipe with solvent if appropriate, let it dry, and recaulking that short section will give the neatest result. Common mistakes are waiting too long to clean, which makes removal very difficult. Fix this by keeping appropriate cleaners and rags at hand and working in small sections. Another issue is using tape incorrectly, where tape left too long pulls cured caulk or creates jagged edges. Remedy this by timing tape removal to when the caulk is tacky, not cured, and pull the tape at a sharp angle away from the bead. A third problem is overtooling, which spreads residue onto finished surfaces. Prevent that by using a single smooth pass with a properly moistened tool and by immediately wiping excess from the tool and surfaces. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to provide resources on common project problems like caulking cleanup. We host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and find contractors for jobs.